Obviously, technology and connectivity is already massively important for how we live and work in these buildings. I think with 5G coming, the whole kind of dimension of technology is going to pivot, I think, and really buildings are going to become incredibly more important in how 5G networks evolve and are built, because they're going to need so much more connectivity, so many more base stations, that you're going to have a lot more infrastructure put into these buildings, physically into it, so that you can support smart cities, you can support super fast speeds, low latency services, autonomous driving, all these things. So the building is going to have a much more significant role in future network development, and that creates a massive opportunity for real estate owners. Firstly, there's so much more that could be done with current technology like 4G and artificial intelligence. So I think the first thing is to kind of really explore that so that you're actually in the flow of what's happening today. And I think the second thing is to think differently about the relationships you have with the network operators. They're not going to be coming to you in the future requesting space on your rooftop for a base station. They're going to be looking for much more dynamic and integrated partnerships to really build that infrastructure into the fabric of your building. And I think you then need to look at whether you're just going to be a passive provider of the infrastructure, the building, or whether there's opportunities for you to get into the service layer, the applications, the big data that's going to drive a lot of these services. I think that's really important to think about, is whether you can move from being a passive to an active participant in this technology change.